Welcome to the Flying Canary 462 YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy our world of trains. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the picture, we are looking at the Y14 from a completely different era than Mallard, Duchess of Sutherland and Tornado. Now, nearly 100 years before, actually, because its building date, it actually had two batches, 1883 and 1913. Now, there is one left in the world. It's at the Norfolk Railway. This is where the picture is. And it is in its blue livery, very, very nice. But that was from the 1913, and I might have said it's the only one left of its kind, and it is being preserved, but still running. Now, it during the First World War, actually, bit of a surprise, it went to France and Belgium to help out. And on the 10th to the 11th December 1891, the Great Eastern Railway Stratford Works built one of these locomotives and had it in a steam coach and grey Premier in 9 hours and 47 minutes. Now that is the world record for the quickest steam train painted ever, still to this day. Then the locomotive went off running 36,000 miles or 58,000 kilometres on Peterborough to London coal trains before coming back to the works for the final coat of paint, and that is a very, very good way of doing it. Now, this train is a very, very nice little one, and it is the GER, or the Great Eastern Railway. It was built at Stratford Works, and the total produced is a massive 289. But yes, that's all the facts for today. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep you up to date.